Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to actually get please donate stand colored text on your stand, obviously. And it's pretty easy and like really straightforward. So yeah, make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss a little bit. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe before I start. So yeah, anyways, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so the first step you want to do is get this code that's in my description. So make sure to check it out. So yeah, there's a code in my description that you just copy and then go to please donate and then just paste it on, and it should look like this. Press apply and then it should come out like this. If it does, you're doing it correctly so far. Now let's get to the next step. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is go to my link in my description, the first link, and it should take you to this HTML color codes. Yeah, you want to go there, color picker and stuff, and then it should take you to this page with a huge color box and a small color box and some colors on the side and a lot of numbers, and yeah, just a lot of ads and what it's about. But you know, those bottom stuff doesn't matter, it cares about this whole area right here. But anyways, yeah, so you want to pick one color. Let's go cyan. Let's go, I don't know, let's say you want to go with this color. You'll have to copy and paste this one with letters and numbers, Control C. Alright, and then you go back to please donate. Alright, so after you join please donate, you want to go to your stand, and then you should still have the code. If you left the game, it would disappear. Like if you left the game and join the game again, the code would be gone, so you don't want to do that. You want to stay in the game and don't leave it all. But before I actually tell you like where to put your color code, I'm actually going to explain the whole code. Alright, so how I'm going to explain the code is from bottom to top, because the top is actually pretty hard to explain, so I'm going to start from the bottom. So, the please donate, that's obviously your text. It's kind of obvious, you can change it to whatever you want. If you do something inappropriate, your whole code will be hashtag on your stand. It will just all be hashtag really small, so yeah, just don't write anything inappropriate. Now this sci-fi thing, I will explain that later after I explain all of this, so yeah, make sure to keep watching. Now, the font color. The font color is the color of please donate, how it's red. So remember I copy and pasted the cyan color? Yeah, if you want the whole big text to be cyan, you have to do the font color. You want to change the font color to the color you chose. So that's the cyan color. If I press apply, see how like the big codes like came up. Now you can see the red outlines on it. All those red outlines. Or if you want to change the red outlines, it will be the stroke color at the top. So let's change it outline real quick. Alright, so I got purple and I'm going to copy and paste that in here. So press apply. See how it turned purple? So that's a stroke color overlay. If you want to change your thickness of the colors, well, it's actually really simple as well. So if you can see the stroke color after the letters and numbers of the color code, you say thickness and then a number. You want to change the number to whatever you want. A good number I recommend is between 5 to 10. Between 5 to 10 is a pretty good one, but you know, out of those I think 5 is a pretty decent one. Since you know it's bold, you can see it's not too big or too like thin, too thick or thin. So yeah, I think 5 is a great one. If you want to change it, please donate blue cyan text. It will be after the 5. It will be font size and it should be 5,000. If I'm new, I'll stick with 5,000. It's actually a pretty good one. I use 5,000, so yeah, I actually kind of recommend using 5,000. Alright, so let's say you want to change the font of the text. Yes, you can do that. It's really quick as well. So as you can see, the sci-fi, you want to change that. So in my description, the second link will take you to a bunch of fonts, and I'm going to explain that in a minute. So when you get to the link, it should say developer.roblox.com, and it should take you to all of this where it has the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and you know, all the same text. As you can see, there's a lot of different ones, like arcade looking one, and also it's called arcade. This is the one I have right now. I kind of like it because it's actually like pretty good, but you can change it to whatever you want. The bottom ones are like all the same. I don't know why they're the same. So I think like the middle part has all the good ones. So let's say you want to change it to arcade. See how arcade one looks actually pretty good. So you want to copy this side of the one you want. So I'm going to pick arcade. Obviously you want to copy that, go back to Roblox and then paste it in the sci-fi. Alright, so if you don't know what I mean, I'm gonna just go back to your stand, go here, get rid of the sci-fi, and then copy the one that you got, and it should be arcade, and then when you press apply, we'll have the arcade font. So yeah. Also another cool thing is that if you didn't know, if you go to here and then copy all of this, just copy it and just press apply, and then if you actually go to your sign, you can actually copy it on your, paste it on your sign, and it will exactly have the same one. If you look at it, exactly the same. So yeah, you can do it on your sign as well, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, if this helped, please like and subscribe, and before the video ends, I recommend saving your code somewhere on an app where you remember, such as sticky notes or just notes. So like when you want to copy and paste again, you just go to notes, copy and paste it back onto Please Donate Stan. So yeah, make sure you save it somewhere on your computer so you don't have to, keep doing it all over again. But anyways, peace out.